once again, today is about 26 na Sunday, October 26, no? Again, September 20 plus, yeah? Again, this is the research study, dili na yun, dali, no? This is about that, yeah? Here, no? Check list before buying real estate in the Philippines, yeah? This is the Philippine flag, no? So here, before the state, no? Again, there. So there, no? Again, ikuha na yung attorney, no? So, taxes and commission and the registration. The seller and the buyer, no? The seller and the buyer. So here, no? Again, there one, yeah. And then this is the profile, no? Of the lot. So here, again, no? Lot profiles in God we trust, no? So help me get for Arwin Gale, no? Sa Tina. Disneyland Hong Kong, October 4, 2014. Start a Saturday, no? No? Dice but never fade, yeah. So again there. So atong himo, no? There, no? Again, we have the vicinity map there. Then we have a daily statistics, yeah, in which we monitor, no? Kung okay bang ato ang option to. So there, no? Again, daily statistics, no? Again, October 26, no? That was Sunday, no? Review, research and study why, no? The tarpaulin, Lucio, no? To post expenses, yeah, it's about 3,000, no? In which a month is already sold together the part prayer, no? November 15 atong plan, no? So focus ang beginning mama, no? So ako nang hangyo niya kasi sige tag kasab ano, in which laging ano hate, no? Without any support of ideas and financial motivating words except by the awareness. So help me God, no? With this one again gimuan na to, no? So here, no? We base the Arwin ergometer, no? Sa katong electric scooter na tumakiting, no? So again, this is the profile, yeah? We again, house and sale, no? Memorandum of agreement, certified title, no? There. Again, kompleto na, no? So ang all expenses kompleto na, og mambayar ni ako ano, no? So there, no? Itong ito ano, review, no? So again, with the new one, yeah, there. Sir, natay potlon kayo, sir. Yeah, no? This is about this is Poblacion, yeah? This is Jose Rizal Street, no? Laos ka dito is North Central Highway, and this one, yeah, from Tuboran there, no? Again, Gesano ni Atbang, no? Hopefully, I don't know, marayon ba, no? So this is our lot, no? This is lot 1, it's about 553 square meter residential, no? Ang atong likod, no? There atong bagong i-post, no? Na commercial lot, no? Sa that's the Pauline, yeah? By which 3 people nang atong ikuan, that's good, no? Para pagid makita lay ko no mo lagi na once guys can see and you can have perfect for the system ayot, no? Nakasabot sa un mas lindot na, and then you see it pa na planta na title, yeah, did sa green lot, yeah. Again, pagi sa zonal value sa BIR, no? 7,325 ang zonal value na, which ibaligyan ina mo og 9,707, no? For the selling price, and then 8,500 per square meter, no? This is lot 2. This is about 589 square meter, and then kuan pagini siya kanang landscaping pagini siya, no? There, no? Again, we hope and pray, no? Makuha na niya nga matanang na to ang mga inquiries, no? So there, yeah, bago. Again, ipakita ninyo, no? Diging lalim, no? About study and research ni without support financially. There, so again, mas klaro kayo, no? Visible kayo sa mata. There, yeah, makikita. Sumuni sa uno. Again, this is the house, no? Lot 2. This is a different square meter there. No? It's about a 4 bedrooms siya. No? Naabangan. Here again, and there, no, national state rin na mga borders, no, in which nga we have a contract na anytime pwede na ito sampo, ano, pero 1 month nga notice nga nahali ng yuta, no. Then Lord, so help me get, no? Again, landscaping kayo, di na ka problema, no? Anytime na kayo kuhan. And then this is a business hub in Davao City. Again, sa likod, is about na concert ko, no? kay more like a business hub, no? You like, just like you are in the Mango Avenue Square, no? Again, so help me God, this is about option 2. This is my last option, which na I hope mahalin na download, no? Again, para ni Arwin Gill sa Tina, yeah, in London. Again, once the eyes can see, here to here, perfect for the brainstem there. Again, so balik na to, no? So karon ni kita the purple, again.